It's really easy to work with the terminal. In order to start, you just need to open the terminal and type your password. In this part, we are going to learn how the program interface works, and the next part will be about the working instruments. All the working windows are located in the top instrument panel. Every window has its own standard area. Let's start with the instrument tree. Instrument tree. All instruments are divided into classic groups for the user's convenience: Forex, bonds, commodities, indices, shares, options. It's really easy to find an instrument you need. Just start typing its name in the search field. You can also hide any instrument by pressing an icon located right under the search line. On the left, you can find the buttons, which allow you to expand and minimize all instruments at once. You can work with the instruments by using the left mouse button to drag and drop the instrument to the area you need. Or you can click on the name of the instrument with the right mouse button and choose the action you need: chart, click trade, order, basket trader, quote monitor, or just show instrument information. There is also a third way to do it. Double-click with the left mouse on the instrument. By default, this action opens a new chart, but this may be changed in the settings. Chart. Chart is one of the trader's main instruments. It is changing in real time and allows you to see the price fluctuations for an instrument. For example, for a currency pair or an equity stock. All the trades and active orders are marked with the corresponding levels on the chart. We can move the Apple shares from the instrument tree to this platform module and see all the price changes of these shares for a selected period. The time frame of the chart may be set to minute, 10 minutes, an hour, 6 hours, or to 1 day. You can also zoom the chart using the mouse wheel. The chart button shows the settings for a chart. You can change the view of a chart here. Candlesticks, OHLC bars or lines. Turn on or off the visualization for trades and orders. And add or delete the indicators. You can customize every chart using the indicators button. Using the next button, drawings, you can add lines and levels on a chart. Click Trade, another button on the top panel. To make a trade, you just need to drag and drop an instrument to this module. Choose amount and press Buy or Sell. The Click Trade module can also be used to create buy or sell limit orders. Current orders. Right after you press Buy or Sell, the order goes to the list named Current Orders. In the Current Orders module, you can find all the information about all orders you've made. You can filter and sort the orders by any column. You just need to press the name of the column and choose the parameters for sorting and filtering. Second tab here is called Open Positions. In the Open Positions module, you can find all the positions you have opened and basic information about them. Name of the instrument, amount, average price, and P&L is shown in currency, which is chosen as default currency in the settings. Any position can be closed by pressing Close Position, or you can close all positions at once by pressing Close All. Create Order. You can create an order not only using Click Trade, but in a standard way as well. Let's take a look on the Create Order module. You can set the following parameters when creating a new order: type of the order, period of validity, amount, price, and the direction of the trade. Basket. Choose Basket in the Instrument panel. You can create your instrument baskets here. Set the amount of instruments and assets this basket should contain. You can also set amount and type for the whole list of instruments. Buy or sell the full list at once. The program will automatically set a market order for all assets in the basket in the corresponding quantities. Below, on the right, you can set a multiplier for the whole basket. and the program will calculate the amount for each element of the basket, maintaining the proportions you need. Please note that if the sell operation is set for any instrument in the basket, and then you choose sell for the whole basket, then this instrument will be bought, not sold. Please take it into account when working with baskets. Margin. Another helpful module is margin utilization. You can check your balance here, how much money is available and how much margin is used. Quote monitor. When you need to track the prices of many different instruments at the same time, you can use Quote Monitor. To look up the information for some instrument, you need only to drag and drop it from the Instruments to the Quote Monitor module. Let us check the information for the Apple shares again. We can see instrument name, amount of the instruments for sale, and bid size. Bid is the price at which a market maker is willing to buy a security. Ask is the price a seller is willing to accept for a security, also known as the offer price. And ask size is an amount of instruments for sale. Trade Blotter. The history of all trade operations you have made can be found in the Trade Blotter module. All the trade deals may be filtered by the following parameters: user, date, instrument symbol, account, side, quantity, instrument price, commission. In the lower side of the module, you can also specify the period or use the fixed periods: today, yesterday, last 7 days. After you have specified all the parameters you need, press the button and you will see the filtered results right away. The results may be downloaded in the Excel format. Press the button in the lower right corner of the module. Account. The last module you will learn about in this lesson is an account. All the information about your account may be found here: cash balance, margin size, available funds, and open positions. In the currency section, there are currencies, cash balance, and value of that balance in USD. Below there are sections for every instrument type with unclosed orders. After the order is closed, in the quantity field there will be 0, and in the average price field there will be dash. Below there is the list of all instruments that you have used for trading during current day. When position is still opened, the P&L field will change in the real-time mode. After the position is closed, in the quantity field there will be 0, and in the average price field there will be dash. This part was about the program interface, and the next one will be about how to work with those instruments, close deals, and work with the instrument basket.